What's going on, guys? Episode 3 of the mini cut. I was almost going to say episode 3 the boat there, but episode 3 of the mini cut. Today I had a new low weigh-in of 69.3 kilos. So I've lost roughly a kilo in 1 week. This is the second week. And obviously some of that's going to be water, some of that's going to be glycogen, but you know, we are well on our way to losing a bit of fat over these next few weeks. Anyway, when I woke up, I had my breakfast and got some work done, and now I'm going to make like a smoothie, like a pre-workout smoothie sort of. It's a new little recipe I've been trying out. I've already done it a few times. I like it, it's nice, so I thought I'd share it with you guys as well, give you guys a little recipe idea. It's easy to make, just like home ingredients, stuff you got lying around the house, and it's perfect for a little pre-workout smoothie because it contains caffeine as well. So what I do is 15 minutes before I have the smoothie, I just make myself a little cup of coffee and then put it in the fridge for 10-15 minutes. That along with the ice will cool it down right away. So anyway, enough chatting because I'm hungry, I want to go to the gym, so I'll show you the ingredients now. Okay, so the ingredients for this smoothie are low-fat Greek yogurt, cup of coffee, like I said, nutmeg, cinnamon, honey, and 2 bananas. Actually 1.5 bananas, but we'll use 2 because it's easier. So first thing you do before you actually go and make the smoothie is put the coffee in the fridge so it cools down. Let's get it. Wow. There we go, cup of coffee. Try and shut the fridge. There we go. Now obviously if you want to make this, you're going to have a blender as well. I've got the NutriBullet. Definitely worth the investment because it blends anything. Like, I think if I put my camera in there, it will blend as well. So this isn't rocket science. Obviously we're going to start off with 200 milliliters of low-fat Greek yogurt. There we go. Oh, 202. 203 even, no worries. Doesn't have to be that precise, obviously. Anyway, next ingredient is going to be the cup of coffee. There we go. And so the next ingredients are 2 teaspoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and then 1/4 of a teaspoon of nutmeg. No idea I want to do the 1/4 of a teaspoon, but we'll see how we get on anyway. Right guys, I'm just using this honey because this is the honey I found in the cupboard, and obviously this is going to be cheaper than buying it in the shop. So 2 teaspoons, let's go. Right, honey done, nutmeg, cinnamon, bananas, and then we'll top it off with ice, and then it is finished. By the way guys, if you have bananas and you leave that little banana anus on, then I want you off my channel. Alright guys, so those are all the ingredients. Now all we need to do is top it off with some ice. Alright guys, so I've made more mess than I've made ice, but this goes in. There we go. Sorry mum, I'll clean that up in a minute. Now this baby is done. Yeah, they're living the good life. Can see what he is going through. I've got you. Alright guys, quick taste test. I don't really know what it tastes like, but just for the sake of the video, quick taste test. Oh, this one's a little bit thicker than the last one, so let's see if it's nicer this time. There we go, a little bit more. It's sweeter this time. I think I've used a bit more honey this time than I did last time, but yeah. Sweeter this, I like it better this time in fact. There you go. That is my pre-workout smoothie. If you want fibre, if you want micronutrients, if you want health, as well as caffeine, then definitely try out this smoothie. No idea what it's called, let's give it a name, and I'll see you guys for the workout. Taste it? What is it? Smoothie? It was really nice that. Do you like it? Yeah. Alright guys, that was the pre-workout protein smoothie before I was rudely interrupted. Anyway, we're on our way to the gym now. Get a workout in with Kevin Pizza Fitness, who's also got a YouTube channel. Link in the description box down below. So let's get it guys. Alright guys, so that's the workout done and I'm back home again, and I'm going to probably wrap up this video here as well. But before I do end it, I just want to say that I know that protein shake was fairly high in carbs and not as high in protein, and to be honest, that's okay if you're using it as like a pre-workout shake. Like a common myth is to go really high in protein when you're cutting down, but it's unnecessary. If you're getting 2 grams of protein per kilo of body weight, if you're like a weight trainer, then that's fine, that's more than enough. And what I try and do is I try and keep my carbs as high as possible when cutting down, because carbs are what are going to give me energy, carbs are what are going to fuel my workouts and give me enough energy to power through the workouts, make gains, still try and apply progressive overload, stuff like that. So that shake before was perfect for me really. You know, I had banana, I got a lot of fibre in, got a lot of energy from my workout, also had the caffeine to give me that little kick up the arse that I needed, and it did have like quite a bit of protein because I used the yogurt. But after that, like I'm home now, I'm gonna have something to eat which is gonna be high in protein, because I'm gonna have mince, and then I'll probably end the day with like a macro de quark, which is like a Greek yogurt, and that will just get me up to my protein, that will get me enough protein for the day. And other than that, I just want to stay as high in carbs as possible. So my advice to you, if you're cutting down, is just go for 2 grams per kilo body weight for protein. There's no need to go any higher than that, not unless you're like really deep into your cut and you've got like some kind of competition prep coming up and you really need to preserve that like the muscle that you've got. Other than that, just stick to 2 grams per kilo body weight and stay as high as possible in carbs, because they're going to keep you satisfied, they're going to give you energy for the workouts, they're going to give you energy for like the rest of the day, for throughout the day. So stay as high as possible in carbs. Anyway, that was just what I wanted to say just before like I get all these kinds of comments saying, oh, that's really high in carb and all stuff like that. No, it's okay, you can have carbs when you're cutting down. Anyway, that's the end of the video. Like the video if you liked the video, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Hey you guys, so today we're making the best banana bread smoothie ever. Okay, and here are the ingredients, you guys. So first we have our oatmeal. You can use whatever oatmeal that you'd like. I have cinnamon, I have almond milk. You can use whatever milk you like. Agave sweetener. I have some vanilla. I have some nutmeg. I have some almond butter. And I have frozen bananas. Alright you guys, let's get started. Okay you guys, so we're going to start with a cup of milk, and I'm making 8 ounces exactly. Quarter cup of oats, 1 tablespoon of agave nectar, a 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, about a dash of nutmeg, oops, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 tablespoon of chia seed and flax seed. Sorry I didn't show you this, but it's chia and flax seed for that great omega-3. 1 tablespoon of almond butter, and some frozen bananas. I'm gonna put about 1.5 bananas. And there you go, guys. You just take the lid off. Oh my goodness. This is delicious, guys. Give it a try and let me know in the comments below. Talk to you later. Bye-bye, guys.